Where I sit in focused meditation becomes the moment's hallowed ground, breathing four petals with pure intention. I know at once I am stillness bound. My hands joined in sacred union amplify the repeating mantra sound. My core's now disintegrated communion allows Gaia's life force to flow toward the crown. Where I sit in meditation becomes my hallowed ground. Sincerity lifts broken feelings into higher spaces, while thoughts linger outside the boundary of time. I am now endowed with holy graces, without notice of my once distracting mind. You once told me the kingdom is within. The judge not is the key to all that shines. The blue light of your eyes radiates again, letting your pure, joyous rebellion entwine. My eternal soul invites my spirit to ascend, becoming a master of Gaia's layered lens. Now many ancestral memories may blend. I offer my incarnations up to higher hands. Where I sit in meditation becomes my hallowed ground.